In the early 1970s, an extraordinary journey began, not just for astronauts, but for seeds destined to become the moon trees. This venture marked a new chapter in botanical and astronomical histories, integrating space exploration with the roots of Earth. As preparation for significant rocket launches surged, a quieter, yet groundbreaking mission unfolded, a handful of tree seeds poised to leave their terrestrial confines for the cosmos. These seeds, which were passengers aboard Apollo 14, would orbit the moon, enduring an alien environment far from the nurturing soils of Earth. Here begins the saga of the moon trees, an incredible project bridging biology and astronomy, leaving a legacy of living memories on our planet. Once returned to Earth and planted across various locations, each sapling stood as a symbol of human achievement and cosmic voyage. These moon trees, now mature, tell tales of their incredible space journey, serving as testament to our quest for knowledge. The significance of the moon trees transcends their celestial journey. They symbolize a connection across generations, integrating lessons of ecology with human pursuit. As these trees stand today, they continue to whisper their space-bound tales, their growth rings encapsulating a story of distance and time. This documentary aims to ignite a spirit of discovery, exploring the enduring impact of the moon trees through interviews and narratives that bridge the past and present. Welcome to Voices of NASA, a series that explores the multifaceted Moon Trees Project, where space exploration meets earthly education. NASA scientists, as researchers and educators, provide insights into the scientific and educational implications of this unique mission. Envision a moon tree, an organism that has traveled beyond our atmosphere, embodying tales of lunar mystique. These trees serve as living laboratories, inspiring curiosity across communities. According to Dr. Alina Morris, a botanist at NASA, the moon trees offer a dynamic way to understand extraterrestrial growth conditions and serve as practical educational tools for both students and teachers. Meanwhile, Dr. Liam Brooks highlights the environmental lessons, emphasizing global stewardship sparked by these celestial ambassadors. The excitement within the scientific community is palpable, highlighting the educational potential embodied by the moon trees. Their stories foster a spirit of engagement, linking diverse scientific disciplines and inspiring future environmentalists and scientists. This opening chapter introduces a story of communal and educational transformations triggered by the moon trees, setting the stage for a deeper exploration of their impact. Delving into the selection process of the moon trees reveals a narrative of thoughtful consideration, going beyond aesthetics to consider ecological and educational impacts. Each location was meticulously chosen, making every site a potent symbol of potential and renewal. Environmental compatibility was paramount, ensuring each tree's survival and integration into local ecosystems. The painstaking selection also aimed to maximize visibility and community benefit, particularly in educational settings. Behind each decision lay a vision of fostering curiosity about space and environmental stewardship. As these trees were planted, they not only represented botanical novelties, but also became beacons of hope and learning. The chosen sites, from urban educational campuses to serene public gardens, were selected to captivate imaginations and encourage environmental and scientific dialogues. These celestial ambassadors now stand as living testaments to the intertwined narratives of human and botanical voyagers. With the moon tree seeds returned to Earth, a wave of enthusiasm swept among botanists, educators, and environmentalists, eager to nurture these extraordinary specimens. This segment transitions from selection criteria to the practical and symbolic acts of planting these seeds. Educational preparations and community involvement crystallize around these events, where each seed is viewed not just as a plant, but as a beacon of awareness and futurist thinking. As preparations unfold across various settings, the broader impacts of the project begin to surface, highlighting communal efforts and environmental policies. Local leaders and researchers, together with the public, anticipate not just the growth of these trees, but the invaluable educational narratives they bring. This union of efforts exemplifies the larger ecological and educational tapestry, where human endeavor meets celestial ambition. Communities nationwide turn planting moon trees into vibrant celebrations of unity and environmental consciousness. From urban centers to tranquil parks, These ceremonies are more than mere plantings. They are festivals of hope, deeply rooted in the community spirit. Educators take this opportunity to blend lessons on environmental care with stories of space exploration, engaging a wide audience. The act of planting moon trees becomes a powerful symbol of collective dream chasing and environmental stewardship. Each tree, a living link between Earth and cosmos, stands as a reminder of our planet's fragility and the importance of conservation. These events not only honor past space achievements, but also foster a renewed commitment to ecological responsibility, emphasizing the role of community in environmental advocacy. As moon trees grow, they foster a sense of unity and spur educational opportunities within the communities that care for them. These trees transform educational landscapes, turning ordinary spaces into arenas of interactive learning about ecology and space. Workshops and seminars expand community knowledge and engagement, weaving scientific understanding with public interest. Not only do these trees enhance local ecosystems, but they also serve as ongoing subjects for scientific study, influencing broader environmental research. The educational endeavors surrounding the moon trees animate discussions on sustainability and human impact on ecosystems, inspiring new generations to value and advocate for our planet. In concluding our journey with the moon trees, their narrative extends beyond mere botanical survival. They epitomize human curiosity and a commitment to ongoing exploration. Each tree, whether a redwood in California or a sycamore in Virginia, narrates a story of resilience and scientific wonder. Educational programs inspired by these trees have cultivated a new wave of interest in environmental and space sciences. Looking forward, initiatives aiming to plant second-generation moon trees promise to expand this legacy, merging past achievements with future aspirations. These trees, with leaves whispering of the moon's enigmatic presence, stand as a symbol of unending human endeavor and reflection. As our series concludes, the story of the moon trees invites each viewer to engage actively in their ongoing legacy. This initiative calls for individual and collective action toward a sustainable future, encouraging participation in local environmental efforts and educational projects. Through active involvement, you contribute to deepening the roots of the Moon Trees Project, turning symbolic gestures into substantial outcomes. By embedding the spirit of the moon trees into educational curriculums and community initiatives, we not only honor past space achievements, but also forge paths toward future environmental stewardship. Reflect on how these trees link the cosmos with terrestrial life, and how each personal contribution helps preserve these views for future generations. Thus, this documentary is not just a retelling of past events, but a call to action, urging everyone to plant seeds, both literal and metaphorical, for tomorrow's sustainable world.